Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Henry. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, baby. Okay, let me, because we're going to starters. Hold on, baby. How are you today? What did you do today, baby? How are you today?
I'm good.
What did you do today, baby? Did you go to school today?
No.
What did you do? What did you do, baby?
Um.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. I am pulling out Unit 9. So what
Unit
do you think
1.
is your lesson today?
Unit 2.
No. Last time we learned about the different kinds of clothes. Hold on, baby. Today we're going to learn. What do you think? This is very nice. Ready?
Okay.
Hold on, baby. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Is there something wrong? What can you see?
To the monster.
Our lesson is, oh, funny
Monster.
monsters. Funny monsters. Yay. Look, read, and write numbers, then draw and color the clothes. I've got 2 heads and blank eyes. How many eyes? Baby, you can annotate.
6.
1, 2. Yeah, very good. 6 eyes. Oh my God. I've got blank noses.
3 nose.
Noses, baby, noses. I haven't got a mouth, but I've got blank funny nails. Tails, baby, funny tail. I thought nails.
2.
I've got, how many tails do you think?
2.
2 ponytails, yeah. Oh, my blank feet are very big.
6. 5.
5 feet. My blank arms are very long and my hands are very...
4.
Okay, baby, can you read them all? I've got 2
I got 2 hands.
Heads, baby.
And I 6 eyes. Here you go.
3.
Nose.
Baby, what is happening to you? Are you sick? Again, the monster. Henry, the monster.
The monster.
I've got 2 heads
I got 2 heads
and 6 eyes.
and 6 eyes.
I've got
I got 3
noses.
noses.
I haven't got a mouth. Baby,
Now
again. You have to be very alive. Energy. Again.
I have got 2 hands. And
Baby, what is happening to you? Is that you?
6 eyes. I've got 3 nose. I have a lot more. But I want to funny tail. My feet,
My 5 feet
my 5 feet are
are
very
very big.
big. My 4 arms is very long.
Are very long.
Very long. And
my
my hand is very
are very
small.
small. Okay, baby. We're going to color the clothes. Today, I'm wearing hats and socks and a big t-shirt. So I'm wearing hats. Where is the hat? Okay. Very good. Okay. Read and color the monster. The monster's arms, baby.
The monsters are red and they can
And its hands are green. Hold on, baby. I will color it. The monster's arms are red. Monster's arms are red. And then their hands are green. Okay, it's got purple faces, pink eyes, and yellow noses. Pink eyes? Maybe you can color it too.
I can't color.
You can. And then what's the color of the nose? Yellow nose. Next is purple faces. Purple faces, this one. Is this purple? Next is color 3 socks. Where are the socks, baby? Blue and 2 socks orange. Ah, this one. Blue Three blue. Right, baby?
I can.
And orange. Next is orange. 2 sacks orange. Okay, next. Make its t-shirt pink and its hat orange. Where's the t-shirt, baby? Pink and
Here.
hat orange. Pink, orange, pink. T-shirt pink. This one, baby, pink. Okay. Okay. That's all. Hat. Where's the hat, baby? Where do you think is the hat? I can see any hat. Okay, can you read baby 1 to 4?
Monsters
The
are
monster
red
arms.
and is and a green. It got a purple face, pink eyes, and yellow nose.
Nose.
All the 3 socks blue and socks green. Make its t-shirt pink or red.
And its hat's orange. Okay.
Mẹ ơi, con chuột mẹ nè.
Ah. This one, baby. Where's the... the hat is there. Okay. Got it. Yes or no, baby? It's got 5 feet.
Yes.
It's got 1 nose.
No. No.
It's got 2 funny tails.
Yes.
The monster's eyes are pink.
Yes.
Very good. It's got 2 green faces.
No.
Okay. Next. Okay, choose words. Hold on, baby. Say hello to Bounce.
Say hello to Bounce. I'm very big and small. I'm happy, sad. I'm ready. I am funny. I drink my
Okay.
Mẹ ơi, con đau đâu? Con mệt nào? Con mệt.
Baby, are you okay?
Yes.
I see. Okay. Say hello to Bounce. It's very big, small, or what do you think? It's very big or small, happy or sad?
It's very big. It's a very big.
Okay. How about happy or sad?
Happy.
Happy. Sha-la-la-la. And funny, it drinks blank. Okay. It drinks blank and blank is its favorite food. Okay. Okay. How about this, baby? B and V.
Banana.
Yes. Okay, listen, baby. You're going to listen first. Listen, put the words into correct column. Table, favorite, TV, bag number, live, brown, love, robot, wave, and body. So where are we going to put table? B or V?
Table.
Table.
B.
Yes, Miss Pahaldan. Favorite.
Favorite is V.
This one, TV.
Bag is B. The number
Bag,
is
bag.
T.
Number.
Number is B.
Maybe they are both B. B and V. V. Live.
Love is V.
Yes. Brown.
Brown is B.
Okay. Love.
Love. What? Love is V. Love is B. Robot is B. Wave is B. Body is C.
Body is
B.
yay. Let's try it. Very good. Let's read it again.
Table, bag,
Number, brown, robot, body. Favorite, TV, live, love,
wave.
wave. Happy, are you happy?
Mẹ ơi con sốt, mẹ ơi con sốt. Con bị mệt. Con bị mệt.
Who am I, baby? Do you want water, baby?
Con có uống không?
Rồi bây giờ em mang đi xuống khoa nước cam cho baby học thêm một chút xíu nữa được không? Rất mùi.
Baby.
Chiều nay nghỉ bơi nha. Chiều nay đừng có bơi nó sáng mai rồi bơi. Con bị say xe mang đi biết là mang đi xoa cái dầu cho con nha.
Đậu cái đường. Dâu nồng tí. Không được mua.
Rồi mẹ nói với cô con nghỉ nha. Nhưng mà một ngày nhưng mà nếu mình báo trước á thì được, chứ còn mà không có báo trước như vậy cô ấy, nhưng mà ngày mai học nha. Hả? Mai học nha. Hôm nay nghỉ nha. Cố gắng không nổi hả? Nếu cố gắng được thì tốt, tại vì con đang học giữa trường rồi. Nếu cố gắng được thì tốt vì con đang học giữa trường rồi.
Okay, Henry, are you there? Baby? Okay, Mommy. Henry, you can take a rest.
Okay.
See you tomorrow. Message me if you can attend the classes tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
See you, baby.
Goodbye.
Bye.